see us everywhere. Square. This is square. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. I have four sides. I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a square, I'm a square. You can see me everywhere. Circle. This is circle. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I am circle round and round. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. I'm a circle, I'm a circle. Triangle. This is triangle. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a triangle, triangle. I am pointy little shape. I have three sides. I am pointy little shape. I have three sides. I am triangle, triangle. I am triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. Rectangle. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. Like a really long square. I have like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. Heart. This is heart. I'm a heart, I'm a heart, I'm so curvy and smart. I'm a heart, I'm a heart, I am so curvy and smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart, 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 I'm a heart. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. Thank you.
Okay, next group is group 5 and the topic is teaching maths to an alien on earth. And group, kindly put up the name of your activity first and then you will start. After that would be group 6, concept of unit, 10, 100 and 1000. Group leader, Saida Umama Farhan.
देखिए भाई ये मॉन्टेसरी स्कूल है।
हमरा रिमोट पास मिलवा दो, हमें अपने गोला में जाना है।
गोला कहाँ है आपका? ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल
हमरा गोला दिखा दो।
First we introduce like we sanitize our hands, then
हाथ तो धोना हूँ काहे?
because we sanitize
हाथ
our
काहे धोए चली जा रही हूँ।
then rub the first one. One. Come on करिए, do it.
हम भी करूँगा। अरे ऐसे करते ईमा ये करते
No.
ईमा
No.
नहीं ये ऐसे ही होता हमरा बोलबा ईमा
No. Don't do this like this one. One.
हमरा मतलब बहुत दिलवा दो।
देखें ये इस तरह बना।
ये रखा हाथ
जी।
ये रखी 2 फिंगर ऐसे करके ए वाह
वाओ वेरी नाइस। ठीक है वेरी गुड। ठीक है देखा बच्चों आप लोगों ने हमने एक कॉन्सेप्ट यही अपना कॉन्सेप्ट हमने एक एलियन के दिमाग में बिठा दिया। यही हमारी मॉन्टेसरी का कॉन्सेप्ट है।
अब ये हम अपने गोलमा में लेकर जाऊंगा और वहाँ सबको बताऊंगा ऐसे।
अरे नहीं सुने अरे सुने पीके सुने अरे रोके
Next group.
First of all, Assalamualaikum. I would just like to thank on behalf of my whole team of North Nazmabad a big thank you to Sir Shamim and Mrs. Shamim to give us such a grand opportunity to be here and for such a great encouragement for all of us. Thank you. Mr. and Mrs. Shamim and Zunaira. Please be here.
Your coordinator and you.
Very good afternoon and very blue afternoon. How was the day? How was the yesterday?
Wonderful.
It was wonderful?
Yes, sir.
That's lovely. Well, it seems to be wonderful. It seems everywhere wonderful. And the hall looks very beautiful. But little small. Well, the blue color is sometimes become very attractive. It is made attractive, and obviously it's a math, connected with the math, a difficult subject, and I hope Nadra must have made it and Shmaila must have made it very simple and understandable. Now, this is the concept of a Montessori, to make things simple. After so many days, I tell you, I have seen few activities after quite many. Now the difference you can see. The difference is the more time given, some time, a good deal of time, to make it understandable. एक चीज मुझे कम नजर आई, and what is that? That's the time which were given to them. टाइम जो है, since it's very limited time, तो अगर time would have been the last exercise, the last activity, I asked them to give some time, and they completed it, and it was meaningful. It became very meaningful. And thank you, lady. This is what in fact. See, this is what in fact. लेकिन I have very positive expectations, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि people come to my expectation, and I must say the work given by this lady, I'm forced to say that. You see, the point is that everything needs time. The more time you put in, more better result you will get. हमेशा याद रखिए. And I don't know from where she got this. I would expect that she will continue doing the way she is doing, and others, they are giving also time, but little more time. Without time, you are not going to get the better result. But Nazra, obviously a assistant. और उसको कंस्ट्रक्टिव और फ्रूटफुल बनाया. हमें नजर आया, सबको नजर आया. और it remained my principle throughout my life that I give lot of time. Many examples, but anyway, the time is important. जितना टाइम आप पुट करोगे उतना ही ज्यादा जो है फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट जो है क्या कहते हैं सामने आएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच नाज़रा एंड फायदा. जो एक्टिविटी हो उसको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करिए.
Start from the last one. Third. Group third. Sorry, who got the third position now? Third position was Group 4. Hina Tahir, shapes. Why have we given them? Because shapes definitely play a very important. Explained.
Go on the stage.
The way they explained in one, all that there were some flaws, but basically the idea, though not original, but it had a strong backbone. What do you think, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. The concept of shapes in maths.
So shapes in maths, very much related to the topic. Now, second, we'll talk about Group 8, Faiza Irshad, waste material. Would you like to explain, Aisha?
It is not necessary to have waste material, especially when you are using the utensil. Not have the material at your home.
Now, what was the reason for selecting this? The main reason is, which you should also learn, that sometimes we have a handicap, we don't have the material. What do? You don't use anything and just verbally teach? No. You need to make use of whatever resources are available. So teaching maths through waste material was a very good idea, which should be applied. So that was the reason for choosing it. Now,
Aisha was saying something.
yes, Aisha, you wanted to say
I
something?
was saying that it is not necessary to have a Montessori material to give concepts. A tuition teacher cannot have all the material at home, but she can prepare on her own, whatever resources she has.
Now, there's one more second. There is one more second, and that is Group 11, Group Leader Tahira, sandpaper numbers. There must be many queries around here that they went ahead time. But I hope you people noticed. I hope you noticed that I and Ma'am Aisha, we both of us got up before the time finished. When the time finished, we got up. We had calculated at that point, and after that, we weren't looking for the things. Our time was finished for that. Sir wanted to watch it, he kept on watching, but we judged on behalf of the time. But what was the reason for that, Aisha? Would you like to say? I'll also talk about it.
With sandpaper numbers, the child was working and he was having a concept of numbers 1, 2 and 3. He knew how to sensitize hands, why is it necessary. He got to know the shapes. And whatever he saw in his home, he related with the shapes. A donut was in the shape of circle, sandwich was triangle. He got a clear idea, a very clear concept of shapes.
Second position, Group 2, Group Leader Tahira. Now, who is first? It is Group 5, Sobia Iqbal, teaching maths to an alien. Now, I know there was another one which was very hot favorite at that time, the Gabbar one. But no, I'm talking about something. But the main reason for selecting this one was that language of Montessori system is universal. So whether it is this world or that world, you can teach maths through Montessori system. That was our strong reason for choosing this one. You can apply that. Thank you.
Hold this one first.
You just narrate their activities, how they did it, but in small sentences, small time. Don't take much time, 2 minutes.
Assalamualaikum sir and ma'am. It's nice to see you here. I'm waiting since morning. Ke ab aayenge. Well, thank you again and again that you both have given us opportunity to show our skills over here, and definitely we have refined ourselves over here. I born here and I think so that I will die here, right? But those who are here, no matter from wherever the course has done from them, they are really good. But as far as where the creativity is concerned of decoration, this and that, they must stand how we are going to do it. And they need to gather themselves for making this all that decoration. But I have given this from very early because I born in Allahabad. These things from my seniors, from my teachers, and they kept telling me about that. And my whole skills is fine here with my senior teachers. And as far as maths is concerned, maths really was difficult for me also. But the way the Montessori said, and it is not possible for me to understand the Montessori without the link of expertise. Without the link of the expertise, I am able to now pass on few of the knowledges to you. So I made the effort for that in the connection of passing on the knowledge, and how much I have done and I am successful, that you are going to tell. I am not in this position, but I myself with permission of my colleagues and my students, and with the permission of sir and ma'am, able to pass on to you. Thank you, alumni. Thank you, students. Thank you.
It's been a journey of about 2.5 years, and mashallah, I've been assisting Ma'am Nazra. This is the third workshop, and I really have to thank her for teaching me the techniques and how things are done. Learning from her is obviously a very different experience, and it's going to help me out for the rest of my life. I'm never going to forget what support she has given to me, and thank you so much, sir, for giving her to me as my mentor. Thank you so much. And it's been almost, we are coming to the end of the workshop, but mashallah, we are all learning very good, very nice and great. We have looked at the activities, and it helps us to understand that what we did. Thank you very much, girls.
Can I say something?
Thank you very much, and also to give strength and support in your work.
Can I say something? If you allow me. Take.
Now I'll tell you one very good and important thing. When we plan to open a branch in Malaysia, I said I will not appoint teachers, the experts there. We'll get the family to Malaysia from here, from the lot what we have. The reason is that we have developed a system in 26 years' time, and until you are not in that system, you cannot pass on this system in a better way. Now, an example is, a very good example I can say with this lady. Where is that girl? Nazra. You see, the reason is that she is watching our system for the last 24 years, 25 years. And whether she was doing the course, whether she was as an administrator, directress, trainer, but she was watching it. And the best teacher of this lady, there is no comparison with any of the experts, even now with us, and that is